In this video, I will be showing you how you can start this business from scratch without investing any money so that you can start with $0 as a complete beginner, because this requires no previous experience. And if you stick with me all the way to the end of the video, I will also give you a bonus that's going to help you make way more money and help you do it a lot faster than anyone else. Thanks for tuning in on this video, guys. My name is Victor. I run a 6-figure digital marketing agency and now help ordinary people create full-time incomes from the comfort of their home. If you subscribe right now and hit the bell icon, I will update you whenever I have a new and untapped strategy to make money online, just like this one, so that you can be one of the first to use it. Now, I have a small disclaimer before we start. The information that I'm teaching in this video very well might change your life, or it might not. So results are not typical and is all based on how much work you're willing to put in. I also advise that you do this at your own risk. And lastly, please spend all of the money wisely. Now, in reality, there are two options. You can follow the steps from this video, and as it ends, you can take action and begin creating a new income. Or the second option is to watch this video and never take action and then complain about how difficult it is in the comments. Regardless of your choice, I can promise you that this strategy works and it can be done by anyone. And most importantly, it works anywhere across the entire world. So now with that said, let's talk about the method I'm teaching you today. We're gonna deep dive into how other people are doing this, how much they're making, and then I'm going to show you step by step where you can get free resources and provide you tools and tricks so that you can do all of this with much less work and have 0 subscribers. Yes, this method is done through YouTube, but don't be alarmed. You will not be required to shoot videos in front of the camera or film anything or really have any sort of special skills. As long as you can copy and paste these free resources, which I'm about to give you, this method will work. So let's get right into it. All right, now I'm going to begin showing you somebody who's doing this very successfully so that you can get an understanding of how he's making money. Then I'm going to teach you how you can do it faster, easier, and much better. So now this is just one of the many channels, and as you can see, he's posting videos mainly revolving around relaxation, meditation, beautiful sounds, etc. So now the key thing to notice is the length of the videos. So most of these are 1 hour plus, upwards of 8 to 10 hours. So these are the kind of videos that people will watch when they're trying to sleep or meditate or relieve some stress. And you know, these are the videos that are going to play in the background, and most times they're not even going to be watched, you know, so they're just going to be there while someone's reading or relaxing or meditating. So these people are just going to be listening to the relaxing sleep music or deep sleeping music, which is honestly just genius. So now people are going to be playing these videos, and since they're all over 10 minutes long, you're actually able to add more ads. And the more ads you put in your video, the more money you can actually earn. So now, if you don't know already, to become monetized and make money through AdSense, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So obviously you're not going to have that as a beginner, but don't worry, because in this video, not only will I show you how you can make a lot more money without the Google ad revenue, so without running any ads in your videos, but I'm also going to show you how you can get approved for monetization and then get the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time that you'll need. Now just take a look at these videos. They're getting millions and millions of views, just like this one here. So as you can see, it's just promoting relaxing Zen music, peaceful sounds. There's really nothing to it and nothing special about these videos. Now, once we'll get to this video, you'll realize it's just one big long loop of a waterfall. It's really nothing special, but it goes on for 3 hours with just an accumulation of different relaxation sounds. And this is what's getting, 2.5 million views and beyond. Now this is genius because these videos get a lot of watch time, which is really, really important if you want your videos to go viral. So these are the best kind of videos because people are going to come to your channel, click on a video and leave it running for hours and hours. And since it's on a playlist, it may run forever. Meanwhile, without realizing it, they're just building the watch time for that channel, which in turn massively promotes the rest of the videos and earns them tons of money. So that's one of the essentials in making videos go viral, is getting a lot of watch time, because YouTube wants to obviously keep people on their platform. So these kind of videos are easily the best and simplest to rack up watch time and subscribers. So once again, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get the resources you need to make these videos for free, and how you can make money without the ad revenue so you can get started today. Now, before we do that, let's take a look at how much money this channel is actually making just by uploading about 4 to 5 different videos per month, which literally probably took them about 30 to 40 minutes at most to create. Now, if you do the math and look at how much he is making, we can see how much this channel is actually bringing in. So this is estimated return monthly from this channel. Now, I know that based on his view count, his watch hours, and the quality of his videos, that he's going to be earning closer to around middle of what this is projecting. So I'd say between $100,000 to $120,000 a month passively. This is an absolutely ridiculous amount of money to make for creating loop videos on YouTube. And so because he's only posting about 4 to 5 videos per month and being able to rack in about $100,000 plus, this is obviously a lucrative option for anybody to do. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can do it step by step for yourself. So step one, you're going to need to use a site that provides royalty-free videos so that we can start composing our own videos. So I recommend pexels.com. It's an amazing site to get high quality, sometimes 4K footage for absolutely free. I don't even believe you need to create an account for this. So let's search up some content so we can get started. So let's just search up drone footage and then go to videos. Now, as you can see, there's going to be a huge collection of videos that you can download for free. So let's just go ahead and click on one and click free download. Now, once it's downloaded, you can just put it in a folder with the rest of your videos. Once you have a collection of them, then we can move on to the audio. So now for the audio, you're just going to want to search up YouTube audio on Google and go to the first link. This is actually an official library that is provided by YouTube itself. As you can see here, there's free music and there's a huge selection of music that's all royalty free by YouTube that you can use for any of your videos. And as you can see, if you click on any of them, it says you are free to use this song in any of your videos. And with these, you're actually going to be able to monetize your videos. So let's search up relaxation. Now we're going to see a huge directory of relaxation sounds. Let's click on one to see. So this is 3 minutes, this one's 4. And as you can see, once you start putting them together, they add up to a few hours. And then you just have to continue doing this over and over again, continue composing videos, and you'll definitely have enough content here to be creating enough for at least the first month. And there are plenty of other websites where you can continue getting copyright-free music. Once you found your audio, just click download and save it to your computer. All right, now step 3, we need to compose our videos and audio that we have found so that we can create our money-making machines. Now, a really good free software you can use is called OpenShot. Now, this one is something you'll need to download. Now, on the contrary, you can use a site called Clidio where you can actually create and compose your videos right on your web browser. This way, you won't need to install any software and you can create them directly here. I'm going to show you this process through Clidio because it's definitely the most convenient for everyone. So once you're here, you can either create a slideshow or video. Since you've already downloaded some videos, let's go through here. Now you're going to want to select the files. Once we're here, you're just going to take them all and import them. Alright, now that we're here, you can see your composition with all the videos at the bottom. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the crop options and click on zoom and crop so that you can make sure that the video fits perfectly around the border. And now with all the videos added, you're going to want to add the audio. So just go here, click audio, and then select the audio that you've downloaded from the YouTube library. Now if you click play, we can see a little bit of what it's going to look like. Alright, now it's looking good. You're just going to want to click create and then let it do its thing. Now when the video is done recording, you can take it to your new YouTube channel and upload it. So now I can show you the part where we can actually make some money off this. Alright, now let's get to how we can start making some money off this method. Now obviously one of the ways to make money is through the videos and AdSense, but if you don't want to wait till you're getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you really want to start making money as fast as possible, then you can also start doing affiliate marketing on your videos. And this is so simple. All you would need to do is put your affiliate link at the top of the description in your videos, and I'll show you how. But basically, I know you're wondering, how can you make money off this? Well, it's simple. Go to Amazon Affiliates. I'll leave a link below in the description. And once you're here, just click join now for free. And now as you can see, you can earn up to 10% commission on every sale that's put through with your affiliate link. So for example, if you refer somebody to your product that costs about $100 and that person buys through your affiliate link, then not only can you earn $10 for absolutely nothing, but as well you will have a 24-hour cookie, which means everything that they buy on Amazon after that for the next 24 hours, you will also earn up to 10% commission on that as well. This can honestly end up being quite a lot of money because Amazon is really good at upselling people, and it's one of the largest distribution companies and they make millions every day along with their sellers and affiliates. So since you'll be uploading your videos regularly, you won't need to rely on AdSense to make big income, because for instance, if you get 1,000 people to buy your $100 product in which you're making $10, you will have already made $10,000. So as you can see, you don't need millions of views to make an income. So what kind of products can we promote? Well, if you go back to Amazon and search relaxation, we will see tons of potential products that you can promote. Obviously, the people who are watching these videos are stressed and want to relax, so we want to find products that would help them with that. So now once we have one of your products, just grab an affiliate link from Amazon and then just put them in your videos. Again, now keep in mind, if your video gets just 100,000 views And out of that 100,000 people, if you even just get 0.1%, not even 1%, to actually buy your product from your affiliate link, you're still going to be making about $1,000. And then of course, the more videos you upload, the more money you can make. So what I recommend is, if you want to take this seriously, that you start uploading at least one video a day for the next 35 days so that YouTube's algorithm can notice you. Even after a couple days of being consistent, YouTube will notice you and start promoting you, which will create a snowball effect, getting you a lot more views every single day. And with these kind of 3-hour long videos, it's going to be super easy to get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So as you can see, not only can you make thousands of dollars from ad revenue, but you can also make 2 to 3 times more with affiliate links. And keep in mind, Amazon is just one of the many affiliate programs you can use to sell these products with your videos. So now to finish this off, I'm going to teach you the secret that no one else is teaching you about these videos. You may have seen this similar method being showed around YouTube, but I promise that if you do just what I taught you, it will not work. So I'm going to teach you now what you will need to do to really make this work so that YouTube will monetize your channel and that you can see some real growth in income. All right, so now the real secret with this is that if you just go ahead and start posting these videos and kind of assuming and hoping that, they're going to gain traction, and once you reach your 1,000 subscribers and watch hours, that YouTube will just monetize you. So now YouTube is not as it used to be, and they kind of have a higher standard. So now to make sure that once you reach your requirements, you're going to become monetized, you're going to have to do the following. So at the beginning of every single video that you post, you're going to have to put a little bit of effort. So I recommend copying what this channel is doing. He's not only posting videos about relaxation, but he actually has his name here. Now you don't need to use your name, but you can do something a little bit more personal, like Mr. Relaxation or the Zen Guru, or something that kind of holds you specific to the channel and not just something super general. YouTube is then going to like what they see and see that you're putting a little bit more effort than just kind of copy and pasting videos, and from there they will then choose to approve you. So back to the part where you need to add a bit of value to the videos. You want to create some sort of script for each video and make it a little different every single time, but just maybe a little bit of introduction, 15 to 30 seconds before every single video. Just talk a little bit about what's going on and what they can expect throughout the video. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, I promise you won't need to be recording anything, so you really don't. Whether it is you want to be recording your voice with a script or you want to pay somebody else, it's your choice. But you definitely can go to tons of different platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork and hire a voice artist to be able to do this for you. I found rates as cheap as $3 to $5 per script, so it's really not going to be a huge investment if you don't want to do it yourself, but there's always that route you can go down. And so that's kind of the secret that there is to it. It really isn't too complicated, but you do need to put a bit of effort. Like I said, there's the consistency factor of posting every single day, at least once every other day, for at least a month to 2 months, and then you'll start seeing real success. During this time, you'll be able to test so many different products and different thumbnails and different videos and sounds to be able to finally master what is working, what isn't working, and be able to make money through YouTube. All right, guys, now this concludes the video. I thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I really do hope that this video opened your mind to the possibilities of making money online and through YouTube and affiliate marketing. This is really not that hard. It just takes a bit of commitment and consistency. Then you can leave the rest to YouTube. So again, I thank you guys for watching. If you watched the end, you're an MVP. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.